Well, I've never had chard before. I have some Rainbow Chard here, and it was picked about 20 miles from here. Picked about 4 hours ago. It's starting to get a little limp, so I'm going to cook it right now. And I'm going to cook it simply. I'm going to wash it real well, and then I'm going to cut the stems out, and then cut this up, and then cut the leaves up too, roughly. So I'm going to get started cleaning it. What I did was I just rinsed every leaf off individually. I'm going to cut the greens off of it. Like that. And these I'll just chop coarsely. Maybe once through there. And these I will chop kind of like pieces of celery. Like that. So I'm going to cut up all this chard. I'm going to start this with some olive oil. Maybe about 3 tablespoons in my hot pan. Add in some onion that I roughly chopped. Stems of the Rainbow Swiss Chard. And some salt. Stir this around and wilt the stems and cook the onion. This is cooked about 15 minutes. The onions are halfway soft. Going to add garlic. That's 2 big cloves of garlic. Stir that in. And we will come back in 1 minute. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Half a cup. Half a cup of vermouth. Or white wine. Or chicken broth. I'm going to add in all the leaves. This is 2 bunches, what they called, the little farmer's market, they called 2 bunches of chard. It's $2 per bunch, which I thought was way underpriced. I'm going to put a lid on it and let this cook for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I want to have a look. This is my first time cooking chard. Let's give it a stir. I like the way it looks. Try just a bit. Oh, I like it. It's nice and tender. I like it. I'm going to put the juice of a small lemon in here. It's probably about 2 tablespoons. Stir that in. I think we're ready to eat. Well, I put it in a serving bowl, and I'm just going to have a taste. I will not double dip for anybody that's worried. Taste it after the lemon juice has been added. I love it. I think it's easier to cook than some other greens. Of course, spinach. Excuse me. Spinach is easier to cook. This is a great alternative. Very nice. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you try it.